Disney Plus is currently at a super important make-or-break moment. With the subscriber count not looking too hot, the Disney bigwigs are potentially brainstorming some major tweaks to their film and TV catalog. Picture the launch of Disney Plus. It was like watching a new star being born in the streaming cosmos, dazzling and promising. But as of now, this star seems to flicker with uncertainty. The journey for Disney Plus has not been a magic carpet ride, as it encounters challenges that are questioning its staying power and its sparkle in the entertainment market. Taking Disney Plus live was nothing short of a gigantic leap of faith for Disney. A leap that's currently in slow-mo, and we're all biting our nails, wondering if it's going to land safely or tumble. This nail-biter of a situation has us all asking, what's really throwing Disney Plus off its game? Is it just a series of unfortunate events, a comedy of errors, or is the whole streaming universe heading into a mysterious, cloudy future where nothing is clear? Over the last few exciting decades, streaming services like Disney Plus totally changed the way we watch our beloved shows and movies. Imagine this: affordable prices, content that feels like it's made just for you, and the fantastic freedom to watch whatever, whenever. It's like breaking free from the costly and rigid chains of cable TV, showing those money-hungry cable companies who's boss. This shift in the TV and movie universe is like a victory dance for audiences all over the world. But here's a noodle scratcher for you. Can a single company shake up a mega-billion-dollar industry? Let's rewind a bit. The game started changing with Netflix entering the scene. They didn't just outdo other companies because they had more stuff. They were smarter and brought new groundbreaking ideas to the table. They offered a super convenient and cheaper alternative to cable TV, making viewers around the world jump ship and join the streaming party. Soon, other big names like HBO, Paramount, and yes, Disney hopped on the streaming train, pushing the industry to soar to new heights. But wait, not everything in the streaming land is sunshine and rainbows. While it's a sweet deal for us viewers, the money math behind the scenes is not a jackpot for the companies. With no ads and lower subscription prices, the cash flowing in from streaming is just a fraction of what traditional TV used to rake in. This tight money situation is giving a hard time to all streaming platforms, not just Netflix. So, you might wonder, why are companies still going for it? The answer is simple: they're playing the long game. Disney, Netflix, HBO, they're all buckling up for a roller coaster ride, ready for some loss now if it means big bucks later. They're not just looking for quick cash. They aim for more viewers, more market share, and steady growth. But as more players enter the game and viewers have more options, making money in streaming is getting trickier. Right now, Disney is feeling this pinch, with their stock prices feeling a bit under the weather. The folks putting money in Disney are raising eyebrows, pondering whether this streaming game is worth the gamble. So, companies are thinking hard, possibly tweaking their game plan, cutting costs here and there, and finding new ways to bring in the dough while keeping viewers like us happy and entertained. At first glance, Disney diving into the streaming pool seemed like finding a pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Even though Disney Plus is somewhat of a newbie in the tech world, it quickly climbed the popularity ladder, racking up millions of fans and claiming a big slice of the market pie. Thanks to its treasure trove of famous names like Star Wars, Marvel, Fox, and Pixar, it looked like smooth sailing for Disney. But hold your horses. It's not all sunshine and rainbows for Mickey and friends. Despite pouring a truckload of money into making shows from its well-known brands, keeping subscribers hooked is like trying to win a game of whack-a-mole. A whopping 36% of users play musical chairs with streaming services, hopping from one to another as new shows and movies come and go. Disney, eager to charm these hop and hop out viewers, has spent a mountain of cash on creating new content. But alas, the magic of Disney's golden oldies doesn't guarantee a steady flow of coins in the bank. With the market sliced and diced between many players, investors are now scratching their heads, wondering if Disney Plus is really the golden goose they thought. Now, with the cash register not singing and investors raising eyebrows, Disney Plus feels the heat and knows it's time for a change. We see Disney sharpening its pencils and cutting costs, even saying goodbye to more than 40 shows and films, including big-ticket items like the one and only Ivan. Why the big spring cleaning, you ask? Well, it's all about saving those precious dollars on licensing fees. The focus is shifting, spotlighting its big, shiny brands rather than throwing a bit of everything at us. In a plot twist, Disney's head honcho, Bob Iger, dropped the news that over 7,000 jobs are waving goodbye, aiming to steer Disney Plus into money-making waters. And would you believe it? The platform is getting a makeover, ready to welcome new streams of cash. What's super interesting is that streaming services, once the cool kids making traditional cable look so yesterday, are now taking a leaf out of cable's old school book. Enter Disney Plus Basic at $7.99 with, surprise, ads rolling. The premium option is now $10.99, and there are bundled offers too. All with ads playing peekaboo. So, with the belt tightened and services tweaked, the million-dollar question is, will these moves keep Disney Plus fit and fab in the finance department? Or is this just a magic spell with a short life, delaying the inevitable tumble? Big changes are knocking on the doors of the movie and TV kingdom, folks. It's the most earth-shaking twist we've seen since the grand entrance of streaming services. Remember the golden days when streaming was the new kid on the block? And it felt like the whole globe was binge-watching? It looked like streaming platforms had hit the jackpot. Fast forward to today, the story's taken a turn. Streaming giants, including the mighty Disney, are in a fierce battle to stay profitable. These platforms are pulling out all the stops, tweaking and twisting to stay alive and kicking in this ruthless jungle of entertainment. Disney, the creator of magic and endless childhood memories, is now hustling big time to keep its streaming dreams afloat. In a surprising move, Disney threw ads into the mix to spice up the revenue cocktail. And guess what? The plan with those pesky ads is seeing a swarm of subscribers, even more than the ad-free options. But here's the kicker. Despite the new changes and a growing audience, Disney's walk to the bank isn't a walk in the park. The folks who've poured their money into Disney are now perching on the edge of their seats, wondering if their golden eggs will hatch. The root of the drama? Disney might have gone overboard, cooking up too many shows and movies. With a buffet of too many options, viewers are feeling stuffed, losing that old sparkle in the eye for Disney magic. Plus, some of the new shows didn't quite hit the high notes, making the Disney magic feel, well, not so magical. Now, Disney's standing at a crossroads with foggy paths stretching in all directions. If they want to keep the Disney Plus ship sailing, they need to act, and it has to be big and now. With the spotlight on, all eyes are glued on how Disney will dance through this tricky, twisty ballet of streaming drama. Well, are you a fan of Disney Plus? Share your thoughts in the comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more captivating business insights.